Yo, it's your boy, My Makes Money, and today I want to talk about Axie Infinity and how reptiles are going to be the new meta. And why do I think reptiles are going to be the new meta? Just because they're so underrated. No one has been using reptiles as they should be. They've been using plants, aquas, imps, or birds, and they don't get into the special classes just because they have really bad genes. But reptiles, if you know what you're doing, bro, you can have a nasty reptile that could be just overpowered and like literally help you get an amazing team. Like sometimes if you just look at the stats, this is gonna be your aqua killer, and then you got apply stench. I haven't seen stench actively, but this one doesn't have the best cards. There are definitely ones that have better cards. I want to find this card that literally destroyed me, and that's the reason why I definitely think that reptiles are going to be the new meta of the future. Definitely underrated, and I see them going for hella expensive just because I feel like people are just finding out about them, and it might cause a supply and demand issue where a lot of people want to get reptiles, especially with this new season coming. The meta is always gonna change, and if everybody starts running reptile, they're probably people are gonna start running either bugs or imps just to cover that. Definitely, if I can uh find it, I'll tell you the the strategy that people use. So this is a reptile. It's basically like a plant, but uses different cards, and it really does damage against aquas and birds. It's a good thing that I don't see a lot of people running reptiles because I run a triple aqua build, and even though it's not the best, I definitely should think about getting a reptile as my front line and getting two aquas in the back. I'm definitely thinking about getting a reptile to start breeding just because I do see the potential in reptiles. Definitely underrated Axies in Axie Infinity. Um, but Bite is an amazing card. Um, and Insect Core, I really can't read it. Apply speed to target. It has high damage, high shield, and reptiles are very slow. So if you can get Kirito, this move right here, you're gonna gain energy. On top of that, uh, it says gain energy when attacking a buff target. The only reason that these might not be good is just because they have high breeds, and you're not going to be able to make money from them off of breeding. Usually I like to focus on breeding just because I think that's a good way to make money. But there probably are some good zero breeds, but they're all very expensive. The cheapest ones are, oh my goodness, almost $800 just to get the reptile zero reptile breeds, and they're like 600 yesterday. And the only reason I didn't get them was just because I didn't have the money at the time. I still don't have the money. Um, Not yet till I finish my breeds. But this card has been amazing right here. If I had enough money, I'll probably get it. But I'm still waiting to sell my Axies that haven't hatched yet. So I'll be able to see what I can do with these cards in the near future. So that was just me telling you that reptiles are going to be the new meta in Axie Infinity. And thank you for watching. It's your boy, My Makes Money. Peace.